To make a website, you'll need to follow these general steps. Plan your website, determine the purpose, content, and target audience for your website. Decide what pages and features you want to include. Choose a domain name. Select a unique and memorable domain name that reflects your website's topic or purpose. Ensure it is available for registration. Register a domain name. Find a domain registrar and purchase the chosen domain name. Consider using reputable registrars like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains. Choose a website platform or content management system, CMS. Select a platform that suits your needs. Popular options include WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, or Joomla. Set up web hosting. Find a reliable web hosting service that will store your website's files and make them accessible online. Some hosting providers, such as Bluehost or SiteGround, offer easy installation of popular CMS platforms. Install your CMS. If you have chosen a CMS like WordPress, follow the installation instructions provided by your web hosting provider. This typically involves creating a database, setting up login credentials, and connecting your domain to the hosting account. Customize your website. Select a theme or template that aligns with your website's purpose. Customize the design, layout, colors, and fonts to create a unique look. Add pages, menus, and any necessary functionality. Add content. Begin creating and publishing content for your website. Write engaging and informative articles, upload images, and consider adding interactive elements like forms, quizzes, or videos. Optimize your website. Implement search engine optimization, SEO, techniques to improve your website's visibility on search engines. Use relevant keywords, optimize page titles and descriptions, and ensure your website loads quickly. Test and preview. Regularly test your website's functionality, usability, and responsiveness on different devices and browsers. Make sure all links work correctly and the content displays properly. Publish your website. Once you're satisfied with your website's design and content, publish it to make it accessible to the public. Maintain and update. Regularly update your website with fresh content. Ensure security measures are in place, and make any necessary improvements based on user feedback. Remember that building a website can be a complex process, especially if you're new to web development. If you find it challenging, consider seeking assistance from professionals or utilizing online tutorials and resources specific to your chosen platform.